Hello everyone, my name is Tejashree Jadhav and today's date is 13 July 2021 and our video topic is hash map and tree hash map. So we will see the what is meant by hash map and what is meant by tree hash map, the methods of tree hash map and the methods of hash map. So we will be see what is the hash map. So hash map is a hash map implements the map and it store the only the key element with the pair. So the key element is unique. If we take the element is duplicate element, then it will remove the corresponding element. At the place of the corresponding element, he add the duplicate element. So we will see some of the important points of hash map. Hash map only contains the unique pair. It does not contain the duplicate element. In a hash map, what will be happen? In a hash map, it is there is no sequence is occurred. Means what? In a hash map, the our array is a unsorted form, and hash map is also we call the unsynchronized method. Unsynchronized method. Then we will be see what a method can be used in a hash map. So hash map means what? It contains the only key values but in a unique pair, and it does not contain the duplicate element. So some of the method can be we use in a hash map. So we will see one by one method. In a hash map we will see we will use the add. We will use method like void clear, void set entry set key set, then clone method, then size method, then gets entry method, then boolean is empty method. Multiple of method can be used in a hash map. So we will see the one by one method. What will be happen in a void clear method? As the name suggests, clear means it removes. So in a void clear method, it removes the mapping from an map. So it is used remove of the all the mappings from an map. Then next one is boolean is empty. So basically our boolean output is a true either false. So what will be happen in a boolean is empty. So it is used to return if the key is present in a map. Then it will be gives the false output. If the key is not present in a map, then it will gives the true output, because our method is boolean is empty. It check the our key is present in a map. If key is present, it gives the output false, and key is not present means our key is not present in a that map. So it will gives the true output. Then we will see the next method is object clone method. Clone means what? It make an copy of an element. So in a clone method, what will be happen? It will returns the copy of an map. Means in a clone method, what will be happen? It returns the copy of an map. So next one is our set entry set. In a set entry set method, it returns the collection view of the mapping to an containing in this map. So what will be happen in a set entry set method? It will gives the collection view of the mapping contained in the map. Means in a set entry set method, it gives the collection view of the mapping contained in the map. Then we will see the next method is set key set. So as the name suggests, key means it gives the collection view of a key, as collection view of key contained in a map. So in a set key set, it gives the it gives the set view of the key contents in a map. Then next one is a put method. What will be happen in a put method? Put means is insert and its entry in the map. So in a put method, what will be happen, it insert and it also add the entry in the map. Then put all method, in put all method, what will be happen, all means it not put all the key in a map. It contains only specific key to the map. So put all method, what will be happen, it only put an entry to the specific key of a map. So next one is size method. In a size method, it insert and it gives the enter key in a map. So it will use the what will be entry we can do in our map. Then it will be give the number of entries in the map. So we will see another method is boolean replace method. As the name suggests, replace means what, it replace the old element with the new element. In a replace method, what will be happen, in a replace method, replace the old value with the new value in the specified key. Then we will see the tree hash map. So tree hash map, it also contains the key element, but it contains the key element, but it is an assorted form. So we see the most important object of an tree hash map. Tree hash map, the element in a sorted form, and it is non-synchronized method. And tree hash map also contain the unique key element, but in a sorted form. So the basic difference between tree hash map and hash map is it hash map contain no sorted form, and tree hash map contain the sorted form element. So we will see what will be method can we use in a tree hash map. So same as the method we use in a hash map, that same method we use in a tree hash map. First one is void clear. As the name suggests, clear means it's remove all the key element of an mapping. Then next one is in a clear method, it remove all the key values pairs from an map. Then next one is object clone method. In a object clone method, it returns a copy of an tree map instance. Then we will see the key set. It returns the collection of the key exist in the map. Means what, it returns the collection of a key what will be present in a map. Then we will see the next one is key lower key. It returns the greatest key strictly has less than the given key, or null if there is no such a key. Then we will see the put method. It put means what, it insert or it take a place to the another key to in the map. So in a put method, it insert in a specified value with the specific key in the map. Then we will see the replace method. In a replace method, it replace the specific value to the specific key. Means what, it replace the specific value for a specific key. Then int size method, it returns number of key value pairs exist in a maps. It will gives the returns the number of key and number of pairs present in a map. So this is all method can be used in a tree hash map. The hash map and tree hash map is same, but basic difference is that the hash map method is not sorted form, but our tree hash map method is a sorted form. And our hash map method is unsynchronized method and tree hash map method is a non-synchronized method. The hash map method contain the pair of key. The tree hash map method also contain the pair of key, but it contains in a sequential form, and hash map does not contain in a sequential form. So this is all about the hash map and tree hash map. Thank you.